Hi, today we will be learning how to do mail merge from Excel to Microsoft Word, which means how to insert data from Excel to your Word documents. Here you can see I have already opened my Excel file and you can see the top header row include employee ID, first name, last name, street number, city, postcode, email and so on. So after you create this Excel file and add all the records, after recording all the data, you need to save it to the certain place. So I did save this in my document file. You need to go to file and then click on save as and go to documents. I did save it in documents. You can save it anywhere you like. You can save it in your C drive or D drive, or you can save it in your desktop. So I already have saved it in documents, so I'm not going to save it again. So I'm going to close it now. So the next things you need to do is you need to create a Word documents. Here I already have created again to save my time. So you can see here, this is the address of my company and I am gonna add the recipient's name through mail merge, and this is the subject, and my subject is like meeting invitation, and I'm gonna add name here, and then here I have wrote something like I'm writing this letter to formally invite you to attend a business meeting on this date. This is to inform you that the meeting will be held in this place at this time. So I hope that you will attend this meeting and we'll be honored to have you with us. So this is my meeting invitation. This is the letter, meeting invitation letter. Once I finish writing this one, once you finish writing your invitation letter, you can add the data from your Excel sheet. So to add a data from Excel sheet, first you need to go to mail merge, click on mailing tab, and then go to start mail merge. Click on that and you will get to see many options, and I'm going to click a normal old document because I have created normal old documents and I want to do mail merge in this normal document. So I'm going to click a normal old document. Now let's go and click on select recipients. Here you will get three options like a type of new list, use an existing list, choose from Outlook contact. So if you click on type a new list, you have to type your data here, and here you can see we have a heading like first name, last name, company names and address. You can change those headings by clicking on customize columns, and you can add more columns or you can delete if you don't want that column. Let me just delete home phone, so you can delete that header or you can delete that column. So in that way you can edit your column and then add your records over here and then click OK to save those records. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to make any changes over here because I already have created my Excel file and I already have an existing list. So I'm going to choose use an existing list, and my document is saved on documents, and the name of that file is Excel file is employee records, and click on OK. So I only have a one sheet, that's why it's showing only one sheet, that's employee, and then I'm going to select that. And you need to make sure you check these things because these things tell you that first row of data contain the column header. Is that right? Is that true? Yes. So I'm going to check that and click on OK. So once you finish that, let's go and click on edit recipients list. From here you will be able to edit recipients list. For example, let's uncheck this chain, and if you do like that, then a chain will not be included in that mail merge and you won't be able to send any invitation to chain. But right now I'm not going to make any changes, so I'm gonna check chain as well. And we have other options down here. You can see sorts, filtration, find duplicates, find recipients and validate address. You can go and find recipients. You can go click on that and find duplicates data from here. And right now let's go and click on sorts, and you can see here I have already selected city, because I want that record to be sorted in the descending order. So that's why I select city and then click on descending and click on OK. So likewise, let's go and click on filter. If you go to filter, you can filter your data from here. Let's say I want to filter my city data, so I'll choose city and then I'll write Tuamba. So if you do like that and click on OK, what happened is that you'll be able to send the invitation to only those employees who are the residents of that particular city, which is Tuamba. So right now I'm not going to make any changes, so I'll click on clear all, but we'll be back and see how this filtration record works. So I'll click on clear all and click on OK and click OK. Once you're done with editing your recipients list, let's go and select the line where you want to add your greeting line. So I'm gonna select that place and then click on greeting line, and then here I'll select here, which I already have selected, and you can choose the format from here, like how you want that employee name to be appear on that old document. So you can check from here, and the result will be displayed below. You can see here dear Alexander or something here. So but I want just the first name, that's why I'm gonna select this format. So right now you can see dear Alexander, and I'm gonna leave dear sir or madam, because if there is invalid recipient's name, I want this greeting invalid greeting as well. So I'm gonna leave it like as it is and click on OK. And I want to delete that. So you can see dear Alexander. So in the top recipient's name, I'll select this recipient's name and insert the mail merge. So now let's go and click on insert mail merge. So in the recipient's name, I want the first name and also the last name. I'm gonna put some space. So you can see the name here because I have clicked on preview result. If you click on that, you won't be able to see the name. You'll be able to see it just like this, the first name in the arrow, inside the arrow box. So let's go and select the address and insert some mail merge. I will add a street number first, and after that I want city and then the postcode. And then I'll go and click between the street number and then city and click on enter, because I want this format, 3-line format. So after you finish inserting mail merge, you can click on preview result. So this will be your result. You can see here there is no space, so you can click over there and click on space. So once you finish doing mail merge, you can preview the result and see if you need any spacing in between the text, or see if you need any comma. You can go there and then add spacing or comma. It's really easy. And if you click on next, you will be able to see all the records from here. If you click on next record, let's go and click on next record, so you can able to see the another recipients, and then we have sorted the data as per the city, and which will be appear in the descending order. You can see right now we are going through the recipients who are the residents of Tuamba, and after that we'll be able to see the employee records who are the residents of Plainland. And if you click on if you keep on clicking, you'll be able to see the employee who are the residents of Glenville. In that way you'll be able to see the records. But if you go to edit recipients and go to filter and then click on city, and then let's say Tuamba, and click on OK and OK. So now what happened, you'll be able to see the records of the employee who are the residents of Tuamba only. So you won't be able to see any records who are the residents of Plainland or Glenville. You can see I'm clicking here and the last record is from Tuamba. That's all. So once you finish that, you can go to file and save your Word document, and also you can go and click on finish and merge. From here you can print all your documents. From here you can edit individual documents, and after editing that individual documents you can print that or you can save that, or you can also click on send email message. As you know, we already have an email of each and every employee in our records in our Excel document, so you can choose that email and then click on OK. So what happened is that this invitation will be sent to all the employee through that email address. So I'm gonna cancel it now and save my file. So that's it for mail merge, and thanks for watching.